If you need to update your phone number on Vrbo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Vrbo website or open the Vrbo app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the website or app. Step 3. Find contact information. Look for the section labeled Contact Information or Profile where your current phone number is displayed. Step 4. Update phone number. Click on the option to edit or change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Vrbo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.